Hey, what's going YouTube? Mike here for Purposely Pixel, and today we have some video samples from the Pixel 6 Pro, courtesy of our friend Lenny here on the team, and we just want to give you an idea of how the Pixel 6 Pro takes video in an everyday use scenario. So yeah, we have a bunch of different modes here to show you, and yeah, just give us your thoughts. We want to know what you think about the Pixel 6 Pro video quality. What are your thoughts on it? And yeah, let us know in the comments below.
Okay, this is 1080p at 30 frames a second. This is normal mode. You could go wide angle. Normal. 2x zoom. 4x zoom. Back to normal setting. This is wide angle again. Let's see how it works with me running. On wide angle. This is regular mode. Let's see how it focuses. (1080p) 30 frames a second, Pixel 6 Pro. This is 1080p on the Pixel 6 Pro, 60 frames per second. Let's check out the quality. Tell me how the mic sounds. Tell me how it focuses. Do a little movement, show me the stabilization. We're running back. This is 1080p, 60 frames per second, Pixel 6 Pro. Let's try some zoom. That's a 2x zoom. And that's 4x zoom. This is 4K video on the Pixel 6 Pro. We'll go wide angle now. This is 30 frames per second. See how close we can get. This is 2x zoom. See how close we can get. And now 4x zoom. 30 frames per second. This is 4x zoom. We'll go to 2x zoom. Normal. Wide angle. Back to normal. Hey everyone, this is a little sample test of the 4K 60 frames per second video on the new Pixel 6 Pro. So I'm out here delivering some mail, as you could see. I'm just giving you a little sample of what it looks like, and you let us know. You be the judge. Focus. Focus seems pretty quick. Readjusts pretty well. But once again, you let us know what you think. Hey everyone, this is the front-facing camera 4K 30 frames per second test. Let me know what you think of it. I'm out here on the route, about to go to work, deliver some mail, Let me know what you think of the quality. I'm going right into the sunlight this way. It's direct sunlight. Let me know about the HDR, the sky, is anything blown out? You let us know what you feel. This is the 4K front-facing camera on the Pixel 6 Pro. Okay guys, this is a low light video test. 4K 60 frames per second. Early morning. I'll walk a little with it. It's handheld, so you let me know your thoughts. See the street lamp, just to show you that it's still low light. Try the zoom. This is a 3-time zoom, 1-time zoom, 2-time zoom.